Namaste everyone, I am Sahil and she is Gurpreet. Welcome to our YouTube channel Yoga Niyam. So today in this video we're gonna tell you about the knee pain. The practices which are really good for knee pain, but remember, before starting this video I'm gonna tell you this is the common video. So if you are suffering from knee pain and if you have the pain at the front side of your knee, you need to practice different practices. If you are feeling the pain inside of your knee, there are some different yoga practices, and if you are feeling the pain at the back side, there are different yoga practices. So this is the common yoga knee pain video. Okay, so if you feel that I need minimum, if I am feeling pain in any other area of knee, side, front, at the back, you can just call us. We are giving the free consultation. You just visit on our website www.yoganiyam.com. Go there, fill the consultation form, and we will call you within 48 hours. And after that, you can just talk us directly live, and you can share your problem with us, and we will gonna resolve it. We will give you the instruction. We will make the complete chart for you. If you require the diet chart, we will also give you that as well. So let's start this video. So watch this video from the beginning to until to the end. We will tell you the 5 best practices which are really good for knee pain, one by one. So let's start. So Gurpreet gonna give you all the demonstration, okay, of the practices. Let's start. So for that, you just need to first sit by keeping your legs straight. So keep your both legs straight now. So if you feel that I am not able to sit straight, you can take the back support. You can touch your back on the wall, and you can use any wall support. It's completely fine. You can practice also by sitting on your bed, but it will be great if you will practice this on the floor, on the yoga mat. Now the first practice is very easy. It's called the knee patella movement, or the contraction of the patella. So this is the upper part, is known as the patella. You just need to contract it and bring it nicely towards your upper thigh. Now move it. Now can you see this, the movement? So you just need to practice this continuously and practice with both. Come on, try with both. Lovely. And hold and release. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and release. This is how you need to practice this. Practice this minimum 10 times by holding 10 count. Minimum 10 count. Because when we hold, you are holding the energy over there. When you will move this, the prana will come on this part, because your focus is on this part. So this prana, the natural energy, will help you to treat your knee pain. Okay, so it will give the strength to your quadriceps, because there are 6 tendons which made the knee, and with this practice you can make it more strong. Now we will move on to another practice. For the next practice, you require any kind of towel. You can roll it. We are using now the common t-shirt here. So make a roll, nice roll, tight roll, and place it under the knee. You can also practice this one by one or with the both leg. It's completely fine. But if you are feeling pain, suppose in your only right knee, practice with right knee first, then left knee, and with both, one by one. Okay, so for this you just need to apply the force and press this towel as much as you can. Come on, press it and hold there. Again, once you will press this, you just need to hold for longer duration. Again, minimum for 10 count. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release. This is how you need to practice this. Minimum again 10 times, and repeat this practice morning and evening. Remember, as much as you will practice, you're gonna give the strength to your knee muscles, and these muscles will become strong day by day, and you will not feel pain while walking, while climbing on the stairs as well. Okay, now we will move on the third practice. For the third practice, you can use the same towel or the blanket between your legs. So remember this, by pressing, if you feel that I don't have something, you can also make the fist and place it under your knee like this. Keep it up, bend, make a fist, and place it under your knee nicely like this in a standing position. And this is how you can also practice this without anything. You can also use the Costco ball or smiley ball, soft ball. You can also use to press this instead of towel. Okay, release. Now for this, just you need to press it nicely. Okay, like this. Press this towel, hold there minimum for again 10 count, and repeat minimum again for 10 count. Remember, when I am saying minimum, it can be 30 times, it can be 40 times. Okay, depend on you, how much time that you have. So you can practice this very easily like this, daily by daily. Release, again press, release, press, release, and this is how you need to practice. Okay, several times. Now we will move on our fourth practice. For the fourth practice, you just need to fold your one leg nicely. Okay, so when you will practice with a straight leg, might be you feel uncomfortable, so we will just simply bend the leg, move it in, so it will help you to sit straight nicely. Then interlace your fingers, press it on your thigh, and bring your knee nicely close to your belly. Again, if you required, you can take the back support. Now we will start making the circle with the knee one by one. Come on. So make a big circle as much as you can. Doesn't matter if you can make the small, is okay, completely fine in the beginning. So make it small. And how you need to practice, remember, bend the leg nicely, bring it more close to your leg, and again make a complete circle as much as you can. Again bend. So bring your heel again and again close to your butt. Come on. Very nice. So this is how you need to make minimum 10 circle clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Now for this side. Very nice. One more thing that you need to remember, while practicing this, do not move your body. Do it wrong. So this is the wrong technique when you are moving your entire body. Now the right. So back straight, and then practice slowly by slowly. Okay, done. Thank you. So remember, we have showed you with the right. You need to also practice with the left as well. So practice one by one with right and left. Now we will move on our final practice, which is the fifth practice. For that, you just need to lie down on the back. Come on, lie down. Now, after lying down, keep your arms at side beside your body. Nicely lift your both leg up at 90 degrees. Good. If you feel that I am not able to keep my leg straight, you can use a strap here to hold, or you can place your palm here to hold your thigh. Remember, while practicing this, do not allow you drop your knees like this in this position. Okay, so you can hold easily, no problem. Now, first in the beginning, just bend the legs, bring your heels close to your glute, and keep this at 90. After that, just try to straighten your leg up and then down. So remember, you just need to practice this and maintain this at 90 continuously 10 times. So when you are practicing this, you can practice this 10 times, 20 times. It's easy to practice. And when you will practice, this time the gravity, you are raising your leg against the gravity up. So it's a wonderful practice which contract these muscles, and it will help you to again improve the strength of your leg muscles, from the quad or hamstring or the fascia lata, all the adductor muscles, knee, the muscles around your knees, all that. Okay, so practice this one by one. So these are the 5 practices which are really best for knee pain. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. If you are feeling pain at front, there are different practices for inner pain and the back pain. So please write us if you have any question regarding to your knee pain, if you are struggling. So please remember this, that you need to practice this one by one, and practice repetition morning and evening as well. As many times you will practice, and you will feel a really good result. Okay, I hope, wish you all the best, and I hope you will like this video. And if you have any question, please write us. Thank you so much.